You'll need a trim puller tool and a 10mm wrench. We'll begin on the driver's side. Start by opening the trunk. Peel back the liner to reveal the light housing. Use your 10mm wrench to remove the 2 bolts holding in the housing. Use your trim tool to pry it free. You can see how the locking tabs line up to hold it in place. The bottom bulb is the turn signal light. Remove the socket by turning it counterclockwise. Pull the incandescent bulb from the socket. Replace with the LED bulb and test it. Line up the tabs on the housing with the socket and insert it into the housing. Turn the socket clockwise to lock it. Repeat the same steps on the passenger side. Remove the 2 bolts and use your trim tool to pry free the housing. Unlock the socket, turning it counterclockwise. Remove the incandescent bulb and replace with the LED. Insert the socket into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it. Push the housing back into place, back to front, and replace the bolts. Push the liner back into place, and the installation is done. Here are what the new ALA lighting LED bulbs look like compared to the incandescent bulbs. The LED measures more than twice as bright as the incandescent.